Hi, my name is Nathan Haupt, and I will be introducing you to this robot that compresses air. You have to start it up here. There we go. As you can see, the air is getting compressed by these cylinders, which is powered by this motor right here, which has like a gearbox on it, which has a little toothed rack on it, which is holding this, which is pushing these, and then it's also pushing a switch to reverse its direction. And then, let's see. As you can see, it's having a hard time pushing it. So, this valve right here, when I turn it this way, pushes pushes compressed air into here, which then makes this piston go up. When I do the other way, it goes down. Goes up. It should be going down. Apparently we're out of compressed air. Oh well. And the middle setting allows it to store up. I made this with my dad, and he helped me make this. This is a Fishertechnik set. The hardest thing about doing it was making the dual cylinders and the programming. I got the program to work by using the RoboPro software on the computer, and then I downloaded it onto this. That is the controller, RoboTX controller.
You're wet.
Bye, that's all for today.